Hey guys, I forget what my name is, but well, I can't remember name, but I just got a rare spike wristband for like nothing. I got a rare spike wristband for, and I gave this person right here. I gave her this designer skirt, and she traded me her rare wristband, and she said yes. I got so happy. Oh my god, look at that. Wait, I never have a rare wristband. That's sick. Is it short? No, it doesn't say it. But look at that. It's so cool. Oh man. That was gonna be so, like, what the hell? What's good does that do? It's super good. What am I doing? I have no diamonds. Okay, it's like the same look as mine, with this stuff on it, and the squiggles. Oops. I'm sorry if you didn't read that. Oh. Thanks. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. You too. Mommy, I need a spike collar. Oh, that's not good. She's scamming. Well, she's not scamming clearly, but she is, well, asking her mother for a spike collar. Oh, I'm just saying that, you shouldn't be asking people for spike collars. You should be like, Mommy, I need a spike collar. She's not gonna give it to you. Okay, let me go see if there's any new clothes. Ugh! A pilgrim hat. For members only. We can go for... Is this a beard? Not that one. 3 days left for AO. I thought those were beta. Oh, good, they're getting rid of that. I don't think that's... Thank goodness. Wait, and just look here. Oh crap. Oh, it means they're getting rid of the feather mask. Oh. Hopefully they're adding new stuff in. This is me, I've got pilgrim hat. Oh gosh. Okay, okay, now I just want to check my done. Anything? Salon products. Ugh. Stop it. Look, I'm showing you the comparison of these two TVs here. This TV has stupid blank screen, which is our normal TV. And here we have the Pets TV. And this is the first channel. It's much more interesting than that. Next channel on this one. This one I watch a lot because it's funny. Because there's a penguin, and then there is a shark going right after, which I find hilarious. Then the next channel we have on the pets here is just blank screen, just boring puppy paws. There's nothing you really want. Okay, the next screen over here is a caterpillar. You can say that's a little interesting. Not my favorite. Next channel, we have the swirly. Okay, and this is just sort of plain on blank. Oops. Okay, next screen here. It's just done. It's done. Turn off. screen here, we have an extra screen of TV channels. We have another channel. Besides this one. This one we have 4 channels. This one we have 3. That sucks. Okay, so you pretty much have better luck with the test one because it's actually more interesting. So if you can watch, just eat all of it. It's interesting for your fake kids. Yeah, see that? See how interesting? Then it just pretty much this one is actually better than this one. This one. But this one is just perfect. I mean, oh, sorry. Oops. Alright, but this one it is perfect for us. Okay, sorry, I had to blow my nose out. But this one is just perfect for us. It is sort of the perfect size. I mean, it's not much bigger than this one, but this one is just right. You know, perfect for your pets too, or your plushies. But if you have this many, you may want the big TV. Okay, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching, but I'm not done yet. Okay. This one is cook on 30. Okay. Let's see. I had to prioritize party. I hope no one clicks on me. But okay. Apparently that person was very desperate about having a what's it called? A designer skirt. I don't see what's so good about it. I mean, I know what's good. I know it's good. I know it's beta and all. But I mean, for a rare fake wristband, that is totally worth it, isn't it? Like, oh wait, oh it matches its X. But I mean, like that is just perfect. Okay, it doesn't match. Okay, so. But I mean, it's just perfect. Perfect. Oh, wait, can I give you this? Yeah. But yeah, awesome. Okay. I thought I had a blue designer skirt, or I gave it away. So I used to have a black, which I traded for my wristband, and I had a blue one. Someone took it away, and I don't know where it is. I never sold it. It's really weird. What would that be on? Back? I don't know. And I never used the designer skirt anyway. I just had it for show. Yeah. Okay. So I have to go find some people now. Like, I don't want to put that up though. I need something I can take off. This. Because I want really all rares. I want to put this on. All rares. I got more rares than this though. It was just cool. They keep playing this one all the time. I'm sick of it. I wish I could bring back the cruise ship party. But what I'm gonna do is bring back one of my sea animals. But I don't have enough money. So yeah. I don't want to bring it up right now. Hold on, I'll be right back. So I'm gonna be trying to call a plushie for Dama because he likes plushies. And that's all he likes about this game. Every time he's on, I come to him and he's at the claw machine, trying to earn a penguin or an eagle. My method's not working. I want an elephant or a foxy. Oh! What'd I get? Oh! I got the yes! Yes! Oh, it's so pretty! Oh! I can't see it. Look at that! Look at it! Oh my god. Where's my other one? Oh, it's a snow deer and a normal deer. Look how cute that is. Oh, I'm not selling these two. They're too much to go for. I'm gonna raise them like children. Okay, they're my children. Wait, no, wait. They're my children. Oh my gosh, they're my children. And I look after them. Because I like a deer. But I don't want to be a deer mother. Gosh. The deers are my favorite because I think they're so pretty, and the foxes too. But what's a deer and a fox mixed together? Deer fox. Deer fox. Deer fox. It's like deer flock. Wait. Flock deer. Flock deer? Flockader. Flockader. What's a flockader? That sounds close to that. Flockader. I don't know. A flockader. It's not gonna work out. I have to find a big but small. Oh, it's big. Big. Long. This sort of, no, this is the perfect size right here. A horsey is the perfect size to raise boy fox and girl fox and two deer that are sister. But those are sisters. Yes, let's go raise the children. Let's find a house for them to live in. Let them live in a restaurant. We'll let them live in. No, one of them was a boy. I can live in this fancy castle. Okay. See, kids, you can have a pet TV. But I'm gonna place you guys out so I can get this here. And so your friends can come over later. This is so awkward. But I just like the deer. I literally like cleared out this place, most of it, but yeah. Okay, now where's the fox? Where's the fox? Where are foxies? There's one. I just got one recently. It's black. Where is it? There it is. Looks like I'm a teacher. My horse is supposed to look like a nerd because it's a zebra. Get it? Because everyone knows like zebras are smart. Like they always making those movies like zebras. They're like always the smart ones. Like little kid shows and stuff. So I had some nerd glasses on, wristband, and a zebra. So I find that a little hilarious. Let's see, we can't have a pet. No, no pets. No. Okay. I keep thinking I'm doing school. What the hell? Okay. Oh, yeah. I do not look like a mother, though. Come on, kids, time to eat. I'm just gonna stand there and watch me jiggle. Yeah. See what I mean by jiggle? Just gonna watch me do this. Kids are sick-minded. Every one of you. Good night. Okay, let's add some friends. Boo! Okay. Oh man, I like the article too. I can't take care of all these children. I'm sure I have more. Oh, yep. And another pink one, because I had twins. I should just be doing a school now. Oh no.